everyone, and welcome back to Ashley at Home. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm just doing a quick tidy up around the house. I'm going to be starting in the bedroom, work my way towards the living room, and then end up in the kitchen today. I'm also going to show you our living room closet, which we transformed. Then at the very end, we're going to walk outside and take a look at our cicada situation here in our town in Ohio. So this is my little desk area in the living room. I have earbuds everywhere, my notebooks, my calendar. So I'm just gonna tidy this up real quick. So while I'm doing dishes, I'm gonna multitask and make a pasta salad kit so we can have it with dinner. these little whiteboards on the side of my refrigerator. I don't use it as a calendar, I use it as a list. So I have a to buy list, a prep list, and a meal idea list. Okay, since I'm not doing much cleaning today, I'm going to show you one of the little projects myself and mostly my husband's been working on. I got to move the library books to get out of the way. But our closet, this would be our coat closet right by our front door. We took everything out of it, so it's no coats, no school supplies or anything like that. I'll insert a before picture if I have one. This used to just be boxes of different stuff and filters. We had a shelf here full of school supplies. So now it's like our camping and backpacking type gear. My husband likes to go backpacking, which is where you hike in and you sleep in the woods. So to each their own. But he's got all his gear up here. It's his gear, and then there's family gear, like the family sleeping pads and different things like that. He's got 2 packs here. These aren't his actual backpacking backpacks. This is just a day pack that my son uses when we just go hiking. And this is just a pack for myself, which I never use, but it's like a regular hiking backpack. He's got a couple of sleeping bags, so down or the down alternative. So these are lightweight sleeping bags, tubs, which he's got some gear in, and his actual hiking bags. Over here in this corner, which you can't see, are just some quilts for backpacking. Instead of using sleeping bags, we have the down quilts from Costco. So yeah, that's what we've been working on. That's why you may have noticed you've seen a couple of these tubs in here. We just have to find some space for them. It's stuff we don't want to put out in the garage because it does get too hot or too cold out there. So it's stuff like batteries and a drill and like different sort of tapes and adhesives and stuff like that that will just ruin in light bulbs. And then over here, I had a question about these 2 tubs. These are like emergency food, but we use them for backpacking or camping in general. So they're just full of, I think they're all Mountain House meals, so different things. So there's dinners, there's breakfast, and then we have a couple of number 10 cans in the cupboard that we can divvy up into freezer gallon bags to take with us. It's just, what is it? Freeze-dried food, dehydrated food. So just add boiling water or cold water, let it soak. It's ready to eat. Some of them are actually pretty good. Hi, Wags. So yeah, and these are just backpacking, camping type chairs. We're just had them in the back of the trunk over the weekend in case we went anywhere and wanted to sit outside, so we just haven't put them up yet. So that's one little project we have been working on. So kind of like our gear closet. These tubs up top are from IKEA. We were going to put large ones down here, but IKEA discontinued that line, so we'll see if they bring it back or not. So we just have these 2 30-gallon totes. So I'm about to show you a clip of me going outside. We have cicadas here in Ohio. They're extremely bad. So our backyard has one big tree, and then there's a neighbor's tree that's in between the properties, in between the houses. So we have two large trees. I'm not going to edit the footage. It's extremely loud, so if you're wearing earbuds, you may want to take them out. The camera is very shaky because they're actively attacking me. What they do is they fly around, they hit you in the face, and they're just really big. They're not gross. The problem with the cicadas is they just run into you. They have no boundaries. They hit you, they're all over the ground. So I'm going to try to show you. It really doesn't give you justice on what's going on unless you're living in an area where there's a lot. Our local Facebook page, people are saying if you go anywhere within 15 to 20 minutes of where we live, there's like no cicadas. So our town is inundated with them. So here's the footage. It is shaky and it is loud and obnoxious. The cicadas are literally screaming. I don't even know if you can hear them right now. I'm inside and they're screaming. They're literally hitting me. That's why the camera's all jerky. I don't even think you can hear me. But they're everywhere. Oh my gosh. They're all over the ground. So they're all in the base of this basketball hoop. And they're so dumb, they could fly out. Now my daughter pulled them all out yesterday. And now they're all back in there again. They won't fly out. Oh, one just flew out. They're all over me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.